my battle with the hills continue, and I'm definitely fucking losing. So I'm sat in some bushes at the last of the umps that I've got to go today, and I'm eating cranberry cereal bars because I'm absolutely knackered. And Bikey's playing up. Annie, you bastard. Here I am, fat man. There. Can't get into the lower gears all the time, so I have to get it looked at. Oh, it just happened today. It was alright earlier. Anyway, Bikey's having a rest, and so am I. And see that kickstand thing now? That's coming off because it's fucking useless. Doesn't do anything. It kicks, but it don't stand. Anyway, apart from that, I'm due to get to my new place in about 2 hours, which is a bit of a dream. Oh look, big truck. Yeah, they've been passing me by at quite a frequent rate. So actually I did stop cycling at one point because it was getting quite frightening, because there was about a foot clearance. So yeah, it's been partially because I'm crap and partially because I don't want to die. But you know, these things happen. So I'll have this. Ooh, look, I've got a big banana. Ooh, banana thing. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go my way. Because after this one, it's all downhill. Like literally. Not downhill in a negative way. Downhill in a physical way. Anyway, I'm boring you again now. I'm going to go. Ta-ra!